क्लाइमेट चेंज पर इस वैश्विक मंथन के बीच मैं भारत की ओर से इस चुनौती से निपटने के लिए 5 अमृत तत्व रखना चाहता हूं।
As a part of the global energy transition, countries are making efforts to mitigate the effects of climate change with a renewed focus on clean energy and energy conservation. The last 8 years have witnessed a rapid transition towards renewable sources of energy. India has had the fastest growth rate in renewable energy capacity addition among large economies.
In our NDCs announced in COP21 in Paris, we had pledged that by 2030, 40% of our power generation capacity will be from non-fossil fuel sources. We achieved this in November 21, a good 9 years ahead of schedule.
Under the mandate given in EC Act 2001, several innovative energy efficiency national programs have been successfully designed and implemented by Ministry of Power. For the large industries from energy-intensive sectors, Perform, Achieve and Trade or PAT program have now covered
1,100 industrial units.
The program has saved energy worth rupees 40,000 crore annually and about 105 million ton of CO2 emissions have been avoided annually. Standards and Labeling Program, popularly known as STAR rating for energy efficient household appliances, have resulted in over 60 billion units of electricity savings per year and avoided 50 million tons of CO2 emissions annually. The Ujala program, launched in 2015, has led to deployment of over 150 crore LED lamps, resulting in substantial electricity savings while reducing carbon dioxide emissions of about 100 million tons of CO2. The energy conservation efforts in the buildings sector are also being accelerated. BEE has formulated Energy Conservation Building Codes or ECBC to improve the energy efficiency in new commercial buildings. Similarly, for residential sector, the launch of Econivas Sanghita has offered new opportunities for savings of energy in homes. The overall impact of energy efficiency schemes have been huge. The total energy cost savings has been rupees 1.5 lakh crore annually, along with annual CO2 emission reduction of 260 million tons per year. The traditional Indian lifestyle has been environment friendly, and therefore India is always on the forefront in saving environment and leading the pathways for the world to adopt to lifestyle for environment, that is life.
क्लाइमेट चेंज में लाइफस्टाइल की एक बहुत बड़ी भूमिका है। आज जरूरत है कि हम सभी लोग एक साथ आकर लाइफस्टाइल फॉर एनवायरनमेंट यानी लाइफ को एक अभियान की तरह आगे बढ़ाएं।
In keeping with the global launch of Honorable Prime Minister's Life, this will ensure that every citizen joins Life to make it a mass movement. During the period of our G20 presidency, the energy transition efforts made by India will be leading the world towards a sustainable growth for our planet. Save energy, save Earth. Join Mission Life.